Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Docusign with SharePoint. This integration streamlines your document workflow by allowing signed agreements to be automatically stored in your SharePoint environment, keeping everything organized and accessible in one central location. First, open your web browser and navigate to Docusign.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign dashboard, where we'll begin the integration process. In the top toolbar of your dashboard, locate and click on Admin. This will take you to the Administrative Settings area, where you have access to various configuration options for your Docusign account. Once you're in the Admin panel, scroll down the page to reveal additional menu options in the left sidebar. In the left sidebar, find and click on Connect. This section is specifically designed for integrating Docusign with other platforms and services, allowing you to create seamless workflows between different applications. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, click on Add Account Configuration. A drop-down menu will appear with several integration options. From this menu, select OneDrive. This might seem counterintuitive since we're setting up SharePoint, but OneDrive and SharePoint share the same underlying Microsoft infrastructure, so this is the correct starting point for the integration. After selecting OneDrive, click on Go to Agreement Actions. This will open up a new set of options related to how your agreements will be handled and stored. Next, click on Microsoft SharePoint from the available options. This is where you'll configure the specific settings for your SharePoint integration, ensuring that your signed documents are routed to the correct location within your SharePoint environment. You'll now see a text field asking for a unique nickname for this connection. Go ahead and enter a nickname that will help you identify this particular integration. Choose something meaningful that reflects its purpose or the specific SharePoint site it connects to. Finally, click on Login to App. This will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials to authenticate the connection between Docusign and SharePoint. This authorization step is crucial as it grants Docusign the necessary permissions to access and store documents in your SharePoint environment. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Docusign with SharePoint, creating an efficient system for managing your signed documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.